The whole process can be extremely overwhelming and frustrating from getting the actual pre-approval, which is quite a administrative burden. Whatever the settlement period is, you're just continually stressed about getting things done on time. With St George, we got the initial pre-approval and we had to renew that, I think it was every 3 months or so, which was a little bit frustrating because you've got to provide the same pay slips. The situation doesn't change, but you just have to show a more updated proof of your situation not changing. And we had to do that every 3 months. After St George, we got the pre-approval with the NAB, and that was because of a home loan rate difference. The St George upped their rates, whereas the NAB didn't up their rates at the time. So at that stage, we switched to NAB pre-approval. And it was a similar sort of thing. We had to get the pre-approval every sort of 3 or so months and go through that administrative burden every 3 months. I was continually evaluating that throughout the process of buying the actual house itself. And that's just because I wanted to make sure I was still getting that right deal for us. And ultimately, I'm hoping I won't have to have too much contact with the bank, fingers crossed. But he actually accepted that offer straight away, so we were surprised and stoked to have it all over and done. It was the relief after a 2 years long process.